Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Trick Yo-Yo Professional is probably one of the most captivating skill toys out there, blending dexterity, precision, and a dash of nostalgia. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of professional yo-yoing, exploring the key features and techniques that separate the pros from the amateurs. Get ready to witness some amazing tricks and learn what it takes to elevate your yo-yo game to the next level. Number 5. MAGICYOYO V3 Responsive Yo-Yo for Kids. This is the perfect entry-level yo-yo for kids and beginners. It's easy to play, just a gentle tug on the string, and it comes right back to your hand. This makes it ideal for learning basic tricks. Made from alloy aluminum, this yo-yo is built for high-speed routines. The smooth surface won't fade or scratch easily. In unresponsive mode, it maintains high performance for long spinning and freestyle play. It comes with a responsive bearing for beginners and an extra unresponsive bearing for advanced players. By switching the bearing, you can change it from a responsive yo-yo to an unresponsive one. This yo-yo comes in an elegant gift package, making it a great present for kids, families, and friends. It's perfect for daily practice or competition, and it helps kids improve hand-eye coordination. The package includes the yo-yo, replacement strings, a case, a bearing removal tool, an unresponsive bearing, an axle, and a mini Allen key. Everything you need to get started is included. The yo-yo comes with a responsive bearing and a specific axle. When you replace the bearing with the unresponsive one, make sure to use the corresponding axle to avoid slippage. What we like. This yo-yo offers both responsive and unresponsive modes, making it perfect for beginners to learn in advance. It's made of durable metal, ensuring it can withstand the learning process. If you're just starting out or looking for a yo-yo that grows with you, this is the one. What people say. This comes with 2 yo-yos for $26. It also comes with a case, 10 yo-yo strings, upgradable bearings that change the yo-yo to an unresponsive style where you'll have to learn the technique to return the yo-yo to your hand, instead of it coming back up with a flick of the wrist. Also, included with the bearings is a tool specifically made for removing and installing the bearings and axles. The amount of spin you can get and the momentum are both necessary for throwing some really complex tricks. 2 great yo-yos, bearings, a bearing tool, 10 strings and a sturdy zippered case. The acrylic plastic yo-yo actually looks really cool in person, and the V3 is all about function over looks. Both play very well for beginners, and the bearings are very easy to switch when you're ready to go unresponsive. There's a small manual that explains how to change the bearing, axle, and string easily. Number 4. MAGICYOYO K1 Responsive Yo-Yo for Beginners. This is a responsive yo-yo, perfect for beginners. It will return to your hand with a simple tug. It's great for learning basic tricks. This yo-yo is designed for easy trick play. It's heavier for more balance and stability. You can perform simple tricks like around the world. Made from durable ABS plastic, this yo-yo is ideal for kids. It's a great toy for daily practice or competition. It's the perfect size and weight for easy handling. The gift package includes a yo-yo glove, storage bag, 12 replacement strings, and an instruction manual. It's the best gift for beginners and kids. If the string gets stuck, it's easy to fix. First, remove the string. Then, check if the halves are tightened. Finally, reattach the string. Contact us if you need help. What we like. This yo-yo features a responsive tug return, ideal for quick fun and easy tricks. The hubstacks design allows for finger spins. If you are a beginner looking for a fun and easy-to-use yo-yo, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great yo-yo, it is very responsive and easy to use. The yo-yo is well balanced and has a smooth spin. The design of the yo-yo is very cool and eye-catching. Number 3. MAGICYOYO N11 Professional Unresponsive Yo-Yo. This is the MAGICYOYO N11, designed for intermediate to advanced players. It requires a bind to return, so you'll need to learn some tricks. This yo-yo is perfect for string tricks like 1A, 3A, and 5A. The N11 features a durable recovery system and a long idling time. Its U-shaped design makes it stylish and attractive. You can also add weight rings for more speed and spin time. With detachable weight rings, this yo-yo can obtain a long spin time. It's great for those who want something sturdier than plastic. It is a great choice for those who want to perform string tricks. To extend the bearing life, add yo-yo bearing oil after 15 minutes of use. You can find yo-yo bearing lubricant on Amazon. This will help increase both spin and response times, ensuring your yo-yo lasts longer. This alloy yo-yo is perfect for intermediate, expert, and advanced players. It's a great way to enjoy hours of fun with friends and family. Remember, it's an unresponsive yo-yo, so read the instructions if you're a beginner. What we like. This yo-yo is designed for intermediate to advanced players with its unresponsive bind return. It offers long spin times and detachable weight rings for added customization. If you're looking to level up your yo-yo skills, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works very well. My 10-year-old grandson has been able to master several tricks, following the instructions on YouTube, and has had several hours of enjoyment already. Have down the best yo-yo I've ever owned. Comes with 2 sets of gears, the sound is impeccable. He loves the additional color strings that came with it and has no complaints about the responsiveness. Number 2. Merlin Professional Responsive Trick Yo-Yo. This yo-yo features a ball-bearing axle, allowing you to perform tricks just like the professionals. It provides an ultra-long spin, enhancing your play. Optimized for balance, this yo-yo offers long spin times and excellent stability. It's designed to be easy to catch on a string, making it perfect for all skill levels. This responsive yo-yo wakes up with a simple tug of the string. It's a great choice for beginners, kids, and even seasoned pros. It features a silicone response system and a ball-bearing axle for super long spin times. This design ensures smooth performance and extended play. The narrow C-sized responsive bearing makes it easy to use. These yo-yos are fun, and it comes with extra strings, so you can keep the fun going. What we like. This yo-yo is optimized for balance and long spin times. It wakes up when you tug the string, making it easy to use. If you like a yo-yo that is easy to use and has long spin times, you should consider this. What people say. The yo-yo works great and sleeps really well and is easy to untangle when you really screw up a trick you're learning. It's balanced, and the plastic material it's made out of is very smooth and comfortable to the touch. Super smooth action, completely responsive. Just a flick of my finger and it returns, super long spins. I can even do the old rock the baby and return it. It spins forever. Solid construction, very well put together, came with extra strings and extra silicone rings. Number 1. MAGICYOYO K2 Crystal Black Yo-Yo. This K2 yo-yo is made of high-quality PC material, making it durable and sturdy. The crystal black color is even more stunning in person. You'll be pleasantly surprised by its beauty. Out of the box, this yo-yo is responsive, perfect for kids and beginners learning basic string tricks. A gentle tug on the string is all it takes for it to return to your hand. It comes with an extra unresponsive bearing. You can easily swap the bearings to transform it into an unresponsive yo-yo, giving you more advanced play options. It's like getting 2 yo-yos in one. This yo-yo is a cool and engaging toy for both kids and adults. Playing with it is a great way to exercise your hand-eye coordination. It's the perfect gift to keep them entertained and away from screens. The package includes the MAGICYOYO K2 Crystal Black, 12 extra strings, a storage bag, a bearing removal tool, an unresponsive bearing, an axle, and a glove. Everything you need to get started is right here. What we like. This yo-yo is a responsive yo-yo for beginners, but it also comes with an extra unresponsive bearing. It is a cost-effective choice that can meet different needs. If you are looking for a yo-yo that can grow with you, this is the one. What people say. Great responsive plastic yo-yos for beginners. Comes with additional bearings, to switch to unresponsive, and strings for each. The unresponsive yo-yo quality is good, allows him to do new tricks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.